Yes, everybody, so welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do some regular. See how me sweat? Yeah, hot. So we are going to take a river dip and stuff and cook some food and stuff. So just stay tuned. Yeah, so we are the same place as last week. We have some motor video history and ideas. So we passed 2 days, so just get it started out this morning and stuff. Yeah, big up to my brother, my brother they come give me a hand and stuff and make it possible. So today we are doing a thing. So just stay tuned. Missy. Hey Kelani. You see, Tanisha auntie them here, Nikki and Kim, Arja and Kelani. So we the this way I use today when I cook my peas. I watch some Chinaman rice. The rice are Chinaman rice. Chinaman rice. Basmati or jasmine. Countryman, Chinaman rice.
I'm going to add the rice now in the pot.
Woodfire this time.
Woo! That's it!
And this one, see when you put my woodfire?
You can't turn it down.
No, you can't turn it down, but that's why you have to put more water in there. You can't put, like when you put it on stove, you have to say this knife and finger and knife one in. You better put 2 or 3. Because as a lucky pot, and you put rice one up. I'm not going to put it on the fire night. Nah, man. Alright, so I'm just putting some skill in and throw some water to watch it out. I'm putting some Maggi in your rice and stuff, Yeah, man. Kind of spice it up. Yeah, so you see while the pot go and cook, you have a few people who want to pick up, So you have Ocean and Naya and Clinton Thompson. Big up yourself, my boss. Always I watch it, always a comment, them things they keep it going, you understand? Remember say we don't monetize and all of them things there, so we just go and see me, you understand? I just always positive vibe. We know one day we're going to reach it still, you understand? And viewers and subscribers still a big enough see me. Yeah? No, one day we're going to reach it. Subscribe, if viewers them, we don't come on board, man. Because, we have greater things that come. A summer, So we have Portland and them places. Portland are the next move, hopefully. Well, not hopefully, almost sure. Because you have some great spots at Portland where we can go and do the cooking and yes, sir, that's the next move. So, big up on yourself. Yeah, Ram Prof. And yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Power and Blacks and Jordan. Big up on yourself. Frankie. Sherry. Yeah, there's a watch, Kevin, there's a watch. So big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. We appreciate the support. We can't do it without it, Yeah, man, vibes pretty, nice vibes. Nice vibes for the evening here. Boy, I hope YouTube not copyright me, I'm not sure, but I go and see. Yeah, and big up Mackie lifestyle. Mackie, big up yourself. Jamaica adventure, big up yourself. See you, mate. Yeah, man. So, this is true, we're not catching no fish. Because we have a little fishing adventure to go up on this week, and we're not getting to go, so. Now what we buy. So, this is cooked today. So, just stay tuned.
So guys, this is the rice.
I mean, then something the car show will start. The car show will start.
No, it did start, but
but it did after. Think the fish them did clean up and then, well, I just see gut come out of them, but I appreciate that still, because I like when the gut come out of it and no smell bad or anything. Yeah, man, but trust me, you buy it down here nice, you know like it, RJ?
yeah.
Buy it nice one, yeah, I like, but I just see music in the background. I just hope say
No copyright.
No copyright.
Yeah.
So the video have to go stop all couple of times. So and just hope.
Vibes smart still, believe.
Never level the pot. I'll go on one side. Ready?
Yeah. Yo!
Yeah, so we have some ripe planting where we fry up and stuff. Yeah, so we have some ripe fry planting. Look at that. Yeah, man, everybody did it. Go on with them vibes to play ball and stuff. Baby. Is it RJ? Oh, it's a piece of food, man. What is steam, boy?
Believe no man.
Believe no, man. Code.
Code man, code.
Eh? Regular thing. Huh? Regular thing, man.
Dad, you have to watch better. Look here. Tanisha, she wants sugar.
Hold on.
Hey, I'm going to put more water in the pot.
Kelani, I eat sugar here. What's Kelani? Kelani, I eat sugar. Hold on. I drop in the fish them now. Then go and simmer down. I guess one we have to split them up in the cars that they don't lay three away and they pick up some more family them and stuff. So yeah, make it work, see me.
Nice brown stew fish.
Too much fire night thing, I cool it down a little bit. Alright, so I have one question. Like the viewers and the subscribers. Do you like more short videos like 15 minutes or do you like longer content like 30 minutes or upwards? So you can just put that in the comments.
Yes, so like if you want to make like more long like commentary videos, so like you know, if you like more long form content, then you know we can make that here, you know.
Yeah, and Tanisha have a channel. Tanisha now has a cooking channel named Outdoor Cooking. So
And
you know, no, it's engineer. So it's Outdoor Cooking. So it's Outdoor Cooking or the handle is at Outdoor Cooking. Why look how Jamaica sweet? Not even Jamaica, life just sweet. Life nice. Yeah. Just a pity just people just stand there and just see. Tell you. Yeah man, these are the country vibes. Yeah? Yeah, Tanisha. Yeah, do it.
Yo! You know, the foot are moving.
Tanisha, paddle. Paddle, Tanisha. Look, can you see mommy a paddle? Alright, Jay. Go on the board. Hey, we are telling you, life is a journey. Life is a journey. If you not enjoy your life, try to enjoy it, because you don't know when Mother Nature can take it back. Live a life here, man. Man, baby Chillin here. Gonna have our... Have fun already, baby? Say hello. Look. Say hello. Yes. Chillin here, have fun already. We don't eat with food and, you know. And again, big up to all of our viewers and subscribers. And, you know, thanks for the support. Still have a long way to go, but yeah, we're treading the path. So. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And thanks.